Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your voice on your video you record from TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you have seen TikTok videos where the users have changed their voice, then let me show you how to do this. So to do this, you need to open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. This will now take you into the recording screen for TikTok. So on this screen, you want to go ahead and tap on record and you want to say something. This is a recording test. Welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Now, once you're on the editing screen of TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on this mic icon here at the right hand side. This will now take you into the audio editing section. This is where you can change your voice on TikTok. So here down below, you can choose a variety of voices. So let me go ahead and increase the volume. And you can basically sample all these voices out. Tap and play.
This is a recording test. Welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a recording test. Welcome to the Simple Dad YouTube channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video.
And once you're happy with the new voice, go ahead and tap on save at the top right. This will now change your voice to a new voice which you have selected from the audio editing screen. So that is how to change your voice on a video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.